Yeah, there's no secret about this one, you know.
No?
No secret.
Why?
Because women love to do their hair.
Of course we do.
No secret.
So whether or not you're heading to a date or you're heading to the country, twists are a go-to style for longevity while staying cute. Hairstylist Bille-Jean Francis is here with the selfie-perfect twists. Now, I've been very curious, very curious about the passion twists for a very long time. I find that
About the what?
what our
twist.
beautiful
Passion.
model this
Okay.
morning has in her hair, they're called passion twists.
Right.
You know, like how normally you see us with the braids and it's just a regular braid.
All of them
Alright,
look like
how about
regular
that?
braids.
Come here, mother, we're doing
So
it.
I want to know, everything looks like braids to
Okay,
me.
tell him the difference between passion twists and a regular set of braids.
Okay, so passion twists use different hair. There is this type of hair called the water wave crochet hair that's used as opposed to regular
Yeah, whatever.
as opposed to regular canacolon that's used for Senegalese twist, rope twist, etc. So this uses a different type of hair.
You
So
know
that's
what
the
you thought
difference.
was, you know.
This
You ever
stressful.
see when you're looking at our girl ear and it braid and you see it's just like twist, 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 go down?
Yeah.
Instead of plait, 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 go down?
Yeah.
That's what you call rope twist. But you have different kind of rope twists. You can have the fat one, them. You can have some of them called Senegalese twists. You can
What's
have-
faux locks?
Faux lock.
Faux locks is what Tamaya did have in her ear 2 weeks ago.
Oh, so that's
Yeah.
So it's not locks, it's not real locks.
okay.
This is passion twist.
Right.
And what differentiates passion twist from a regular braid down is
Yes.
that
The hair is different.
the hair is different.
There's two different kind of hair.
Yes, two different. As I said before, this is done with the water wave crochet hair. You can use different brands from Free Tress to Lulu Tress, but this is Free Tress actually in her hair right now.
How
Yeah.
long do these last?
Okay, so the longevity depends on the texture of the person's hair. So, for example, your hair texture, this could last, this could last for a month and a couple weeks. But as opposed to like relaxed hair, you can get 3 weeks depending on how well you take care of the hair.
Because it tends to fuzz out. Of
Exactly,
the
exactly. And also, if your hair is bluntly cut, it tends to unravel from the hair quickly. So the maintenance is very high when your hair is processed as opposed to when your hair is natural.
How do you care for passion twists?
Okay, so you can use mousse and you also tie your hair with a silk wrap.
Let's talk about the silk wraps. I'm glad
Yes.
you went into that. So, this is like Black Girl Central right here.
Definitely.
Most of the time, and men complain a lot about it, but there's stuff for men.
Yes,
like,
definitely.
you have men who want to take care of them waves. I fix
Right.
it for my type for you.
And those cornrows and everything.
No,
I don't have
like
cornrows.
But do it, darling.
Oh my
So
God.
come down on your phone.
Yes, supposed to go right now.
Right. And
Right.
so the difference between your brands and a lot of the brands we see out there is that this is actual satin.
Satin, exactly. So satin is very important in protecting your hair, especially when your hair is natural. Also when your hair is processed. But the reason why satin is preferred as opposed to cotton brands is that satin does not absorb
The moisture.
exactly. Only it redistributes the moisture in your hair, as opposed to cotton.
Yeah.
Yes, as opposed to cotton that absorbs the moisture and does not redistribute it.
What about your hair care line? Like, I know there's
Oh.
some stuff here, so I want to
Yes.
talk about. Can you see my hair? You see my
Yeah.
hair? I want to know
nice.
you can.
The first thing that jumped out to this line was this beauty.
Yes, the
If you got
detangling
hair like
comb.
me, you know you want one of these. Talk to me about this one.
Okay, so this is our detangling comb. We grew hair's detangling comb, and it is used for detangling your hair.
It's beautiful. I
Yes.
love it so much. What are you doing?
Oh my goodness. It can be used for that also, don't worry.
Look at you.
Yeah.
This is fabulous. I love
Thank
this.
you.
And of course, if you have hair like mine, you need something that can withstand
Right.
the cold. I broke up comb on a regular, you know. So this strong.
What is made of?
It's plastic actually,
It
and
looks good.
it's like embellished with like
Wood embellishment.
Right.
Okay. All right. But outside of the combs, I noticed that we have actual products.
Right.
Tell us about those products.
Okay, so I like to call these right here the Holy Grail because they're actually amazing. They're for hair growth, eliminating dandruff, and also repairing damage for your hair. Yeah.
What about the weight? Do they weigh down your hair?
No, they don't. They're actually light.
Ooh.
Yes, that's coconut oil.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
Perfect.
Very important question now.
Sorry.
What you have for the man then?
All of this
Everything
can be
is for,
used men.
yeah.
That's what I always want to
Unisex.
understand. No, I want to understand now because sometimes I say hair products.
Yeah.
Can men use female hair products?
Yes, they
Of
can.
course, and
it's
here's
not
the
limited to females.
You notice how she packaged it? It green, so it's not pink or it won't turn it off as
Right.
a man if you want to try it and be
Right.
manly. You look really comfortable with that comb and that do-rag.
I tell you.
Oh dear, I won't say what Clive just told me. But so where can we find these wonderful products?
I'm actually on Instagram. We grew hair on Instagram. We're not in stores as yet. Hopefully by next year we're in stores. Yeah.
Oh, it smells
They-
so good.
So, for instance, you have the passion twist. What can you do to maximize that kind of hairstyle?
Yeah, to make it last the month
Yeah.
and odd, or the 3 weeks and
To make it last, as I stated before, you just need to use a lot of mousse. You need to use a lot of mousse and you need to tie it with a satin or silk wrap.
So do we use this kind of products in that hair while it has
Yes.
in the passion twist
Right.
still?
That's
do-
another
Let's spray
thing.
some of it.
Spray some in our hair?
Yes.
That might
So-
not come out because it's thick.
All right.
I always recommend my clients moisturizing their hair when they have protective styling. And this is perfect for moisture and also protecting your hair from damage and heat damage and all of that.
Is there
So-
is there a specific technique? Because a while ago with this cologne and
Oh,
stuff,
no, you can just use it on the scalp.
The coconut
It's not
oil more on the
spraying.
scalp.
Yes,
Yeah, I
on
was
the
figuring
scalp.
that one would because in here is very
Yes.
cold. Oh, it's coming out
Yes.
good.
So spray it on the scalp and on your hair itself.
so just spray it
This-
and leave it.
No, you're going to
Rub it in.
rub it in, but not rigorously because, you know, these twists are loose, so they can unravel easily. So you just go like this,
Okay.
rub
And
it in.
so your scalp will stay moisturized and your actual hair,
Hair
will
will
stay
stay
moisturized
moisturized.
without weighing down the rest of the
Right,
braids.
correct. Yes.
That's like something I
Very
can.
nice.
If my girlfriend have that, I can do it for her. No?
Of course
Right,
you
of
can.
course.
That would be nice.
Perfect.
If you did that first, she'd love you even
can't say
more.
banana
That would
use.
give you props. Hey, buy one cologne, buy some of them here, and just carry home to there and just spray her up and then rub her head. Trust me, no man, you're gonna get props. Believe me, I'll buy her when I come to So,
Of course.
so we can definitely see this as a gift package for Christmas.
Definitely.
This looks like it's ready to go for the Christmas
It
season.
is.
So we can find you on IG, you said?
Yes, you can.
Do you
At
have-
We
oh.
Grew Hair. WEGREWHAIR.
Do you have plans for Christmas?
Actually, I was planning a giveaway for Christmas.
Ooh,
Yes, that's the only
yay.
thing I have planned for Christmas.
Fabulous.
So
That's looking good. All right, guys, you know where to find her. She's told you how to get you a wonderful passion twist that can last you through Christmas in case you don't want to come here through Christmas. Owner of We Grew Hair, Bille-Jean Francis. Guys, there's so much more to the show. Stop it! There's so much more to the show today. And we are going for a break, but we will be right back. I took the comb from Dwayne. No more beard combing.
I feel like I'm in a hip hop video.